Valley Innovative Virtual Open House. We've missed you guys. We're really excited to see you back, and we want to make sure that we share with you everything you need to know to have a stress-free first day back.
Morning, guys.
Morning, how was your bus ride?
It was great. I got to take me a nap.
Good deal. Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead and put your phone in your box for us. What we're doing here, students, is every student puts your phone in one of the boxes. You'll know which one to put it in, and then we'll just make sure you're not trying to get anything else in. We do ask you raise your feet, because there is metal in the floor, and it sends off our detector. There you go. All right. Have a good morning.
See you guys.
Hey, I'm Mr. Strickland, the assistant principal here. Because our school's so small, you'll get to know all of our teachers and all of our administrators very well. You'll actually see me every morning when you walk in the school and every day in the hall. So I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Hey guys, it's Miss Hall here. Hope you had a great summer. It's going to be a good school year. It's going to be a different school year, and we're going to make it, and everything's going to be fine, and we're going to rock it.
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Dykes. I will be teaching Building 1 and Building 2. I'm teaching, depending on when you have me, you might have me for Read 180, American History, World History, American Lit, or College Readiness. I'm just trying to figure it out just like you are. Hope that we can figure it out together, and I look forward to the school year.
Good morning, I'm SRO Long. I'm the SRO here at the school. Looking forward to seeing you all. I'm around in the hallways. If you ever need anything, just look me up. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hi, my name is Donna Hammond. I teach science 6 through 12. Can't wait to meet you.
Good morning, Pioneer Nation. My name is Willie Bryant, and I teach math grades 6 through 12. I can't wait to see each and every one of you. Hope you had a great summer.
Hi, my name is Lisa Giddens. I'm going to be a paraprofessional. Can't wait to meet you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanya Meadows. This is my first year at Pleasant Valley. I will be helping with the math, teaching math. I'm looking forward to meeting all the students, and I'll see y'all when you get here on Tuesday.
Hi, I'm Ginger Parker. I'm the secretary here at Pleasant Valley. I have many hats. I wear many hats, but if you have a question that nobody else can answer, just come see me and I'll have an answer for you. And welcome back.
Hi students, I'm Dawn McClary. I'm Miss McClary. I'll be the ESS lead here at Pleasant Valley. I'm an inclusion teacher for all students that will be in the building here at Pleasant Valley. I'll also be the virtual learning teacher for all ESS students over the whole county. I'm here for your support and your needs. Whatever I can do to help you, please don't hesitate to contact me. I look forward to meeting you and hearing from you. See you soon.
Hey, my name is Sabrina Lopez, and I will be working with Tech, the clinic, and also I'm the parapro.
Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm the custodian here.
I'm Chrissy Russell. I'll be teaching English grades 6 to 12. I'm in Building 1, room 110, and I will also be over in Building 2 working with the kids on that side. Hope you guys have a great year this year.
And last but not least is Fugler. He's our local mascot, and he's often getting in trouble.